Hello again, how are you today? This is Linda coming from the Memories and Photos Craft Studio, as you can see. I'm here to show you another of my Scrapbox kits that's available through my shop. It's online at memoriesandphotos.co.uk. But it's always nice to see things in person, so to speak. So I thought I'd give you a quick run through on here of what's in the kit. So this one is called Azure Flow, and it's got lots of beautiful blue colors in it, and it's really pretty. So let's get started. So this is the first set of 12 by 12 papers, and they're all these ones are all double-sided. So depending on what takes your fancy, you can use either side. Some beautiful waves, and on the back, these look like the pattern you get in the water when you're out at sea, the kind of ripple effect of the water. And we have these, two of these, and on the back you've got the wavy lines. Some more beautiful waves. If you want something a bit more understated, you've got this beautiful jade green on the other side. There's some more, yeah. So that's a nice scallop shell effect. And background papers on the back if you prefer those. And finally, two of these. And that's what's on the back. So there you go. So that's all the printed paper. It's about 200 GSM. It's more cardstock than paper. It's quite a nice thickness. It's great for cutting out. Doesn't go all limp on you. So I've also included some cardstock because you need plain cardstock for matting and layering and things like that. So there's two of these, which are a kind of dark Air Force blue kind of thing, I think. You've got it's a beautiful aqua colour. You've got some light blue. And some white. You can never have enough white. So that's all the cardstock and paper, but that's not everything that's in the kit. I've also included a whole page of journaling die cuts that match in with the colours on the papers. Again, if you want to see these a bit more close up, then go over to the website and search for the kit, which is Azure Flow. There's some little extra cards in the kit. There's also 4 stencils. Now, 2 of them, let me put those 2 down. 2 of them are letters. So you've got upper and, no, you've got lowercase on this one. You've got letters and numbers. And on the other 2, you've got an assortment of wavy lines. These look really good with gel pens. If you've got gel pens, make sure they're the best ones to get are Sakura gel pens because they're acid free and they're permanent. So have a look out for those. I wouldn't be tempted to get the cheap versions from the pound shop because they're not as stable for your scrapbook albums, and it's worth spending a little bit more to make sure things don't fade and don't run. So look out for the Sakura pens. What else have I got? I've got some butterflies. Now I've taken some out to show you. So these are the butterflies. There's a whole pack of those. There's 45 butterflies, and actually on them. There's all different ones. It's quite difficult to hold them up, but if you go over and have a look at the kit, and you'll see the photos of them. So they're absolutely beautiful. So that's butterflies. Oh, we couldn't go without putting letter stickers in, could we? Always essential, letter stickers. And there's also some paper flowers. There you go. Some embroidery floss. You do all kinds of things with this. I quite like doing borders with it, with a thick needle. You just go in and out round to make a border. You get some little wooden flowers. And finally, you get a whole pack of these little labels. So if I put that down, just show you a bit closer. So these are little enhancement labels. Whoops. They've got different themes on them. There's a whole pack of those. And they're beautiful. I only buy stuff for the kits that I like, so so there you go. There's a whole set of those. So that's everything. That's all the materials that's in the kit. Remember, you also get a page sketch with 4 sample pages on to give you a bit of inspiration. And you get a planning page as well. I would suggest with the planning page that if you've got a scanner, right on it. So I hope that's been of interest. If you want to ask anything, do get in touch. And as I say, everything's over on memoriesandphotos.co.uk. Click on the shop and look for Scrapbox Kits. And that one we've been looking at just then was Azure Flow. I will see you all soon. But in the meantime, happy scrapping. Bye.